have had the format change. Slight loss of data as expected. All systems look very good on Centaur.
The Antigua tracking station now scheduled to begin supporting downrange.
Current altitude is 116 nautical miles. Downrange distance is 787 nautical miles. Velocity is 12,422 miles per hour. Centaur PU is controlling very near nominal mixture ratios at this point. Our all-time engine is responding as you'd expect for the set mixture ratio. Speeds are good. Chamber pressures are stable.
And we've reached the end of our tracking coverage here from the Cape.
23 nautical miles. Downrange distance is 1,000 miles. Velocity is 12,994 miles per hour. Our PU is now requesting oxidize a ridge condition. All systems are stable at this point. Our bus batteries are stable. Early model pressures look good. Tank pressures are bad. All systems are operating very well on Centaur as it passes through 124 nautical miles altitude, downrange distance of 1,274 miles. Velocity is 13,740 miles per hour.
We've reached the end of our tracking coverage from the Jupiter Inlet station in South Florida. Next acquisition will be through the Tracking and Data Relay satellite just after 11 minutes. And Antigua continues to cover.
We continue to see our thermal conditioning failures on the RCS system. All signatures are as expected for this phase of flight. Centaur continues to perform well. Currently flying at an altitude of 118 nautical miles, downrange distance of 1,620 miles. Velocity is 14,775 miles per hour.
Acquisition now by the Tracking and Data Relay satellite system.
Some minor PU system control requests, but engine operation is responding accordingly. minutes to MECO as the RL-10 continues to perform very well. The reaction control system continues to cycle through its normal conditioning patterns. Other battery voltages are stable. The pressures look very good. Lunar is currently flying at 108 nautical miles in altitude. Downrange distance is 2,092 miles. Velocity is 16,250 miles per hour. Range track continues to show the vehicle heading right to the local corridor. We have had the RF disabled. 1 minute to MECO.
And we reached the end of our tracking coverage through Antigua. Centaur engine cut off through the tracking and data relay satellite system.